Good day, everyone. We are iRender. As you may know, iRender provides high configuration dedicated servers, which are like Windows computers for rendering. You will connect to our computers via Windows Remote desktop app, then have complete control over them, just like you are using your own computer. Today's video will be a tutorial video on how to use our newly launched iRender GPU app. iRender GPU allows customers to perform all operations to use iRender services with just one application. With this desktop app, we can 1. Login. 2. Transfer files. 3. Create and boot the machine. 4. Connect to remote desktop. 5. Shut down machine or schedule to shut down. Let's go into detailed instructions on how to use this app. The first step is to log in to your iRender account. Now go to Transfer Data to upload your project files. In this step, please use your most stable internet connection. If the file size is small, you can drag and drop files from your local PC to the app. Next, you can go to Machine GPU and create a machine with the configuration you want for your project. Here, you can see options with pre-install Cinema Forward, Redshift, or Stable Fusion. If you use other software, please choose No Pre-installed Software. After creating a suitable server with 2 GPU RTX 4090 successfully, you can boot it and connect to it after a few minutes. Here we choose the Pay as you go option. And to use the license. First, you will need to activate the license type you want to use. Please note that our system starts charging you right after the machine is booted successfully. Click the Connect button to connect the remote machine. Now you are on the remote machine and the folders you uploaded before are in Z drive. However, Z is just a network drive, so it's recommended to work on hard drives like C or desktop to avoid crashes and slow rendering. As a result, please copy your data to the desktop before opening it. Today, we will show you an example of workflow with Cinema Forward and Redshift. So we will use the license provided by iRender. If you are not allowed to use iRender's license, or if you use other software, please use your own software license. First, open the iRender License Management app and select the license for CForward and Redshift. To use the latest Redshift version, select Redshift version, select Redshift License Tool version after 3.058. Then you log in to your iRender account. Everything is ready. Now you can set up suitable parameters and settings as you always do when rendering on your personal computer. Remember to set the output path on C drive or desktop in Render. While it's rendering, you can keep an eye on the render preview or turn off your personal computer if you want. The rendering process still continues on our remote computer as long as you do not shut it down. Render completed. After checking your output, you will copy it to a iDrive. Data in iDrive can be downloaded to your local computer whenever you want, even when the remote machine is off. Before shutting down the remote machine, please disconnect the license app and close it. Next, do not forget to shut the remote machine down. Our system will stop charging you and send you an email with your latest billing information once you shut down successfully. After shutdown, please use the Deactivate Software License feature to release the license if you want to continue using the license for another machine next time. Now, you can go back to transfer data to download the result from the iDrive. Hopefully, this fully integrated app will bring you convenience and a great experience with iRender's service. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to give us a try with our most powerful GPU servers. iRender. Happy rendering, happy training,